Welcome. In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Plus and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the HAYLOU Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And to do it, simply find the HAYLOU Phone icon and tap on it to open the app. Once the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the Mine icon to open the Mine page, and on it there should be a list of my devices, and on that list there should be your HAYLOU Solar Plus. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll through this page and find the button called Unbind, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on Confirm, and the watch will disappear from the app, from the list of my devices, and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. So now we can close the app and wait until the reset is complete. And here we have it, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.